Alrighty, hi gang, David Braun here in southeast Kansas. Just tinkering a little bit with my new air compressor. It's Allstate by Sears. It was given to me just a while back, and wanted to show it real quick. I was inspired by watching a video recently by Musty One. He did a repair work on one, put a different compressor on one and a vertical, and got me inspired to do the same here. Getting this one fixed up for my own use, and quit using my Husky there from Home Depot. Pump's about to seize up on it anyway. And going over what I need to do here to fix this up, but wanted to show you. It says 1954 manufacturer date on the tank there. 142760, I guess is the serial number on the tank. A bunch of numbers on it. John Wood Company, Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. There's the Allstate decal. Serial numbers and model numbers all over the place on this. Model number on this compressor is 102.B211A, and another similar kind of number on the compressor. So I'll try to focus here. 1.02211, and that serial number is the same on this as the tank, 332245. Serial number on that matches the one on the compressor, so that's the original compressor. Looks like the original cutoff switch here, class 9016, type GVG1. No idea what that 372 means. There we go, there it is. Inches of vacuum on, 3, 8 inches of vacuum off, and shows the focus. There we go. What volts you want to run it on. It'll run on 120 or 240. And this blew my mind. Capacitor motor, Packard, made by General Motors. It says right there 3/4 horsepower. I focus there. 3/4 horsepower, 115 or 120 or 240 volt. Runs at 1750 RPM. Type CM240K6, and it shows the really show it, I don't know. It's there, the wiring diagram for 240 on the left and 120 on the right. But it's simple enough. Took the side cover off the motor, and there's still, the posts are still numbered, so I'll be able to rewire it simple enough. Somebody got this doggone little glass fuse socket. I plugged it in and tested it. It's not doing anything. But then somebody got over here, hooked up a little household switch box. Let's see if I can show you there. It's go in the on position. It's spring loaded. But this is what really kind of blew my mind. Yes, it's unplugged now. It's got some bare wires. That's copper sticking through right there. So these Wires going from the switch over to the cutout have to be replaced. They look kind of ancient. And that wire there can go from the cutout over to the motor. There, sorry about the, try to turn this sideways too. There we go. And of course the power cord is a hunk of Romex cable. I guess it worked fine when it was all rigged up, but it just gives me the heebie-jeebies to look at it. Check the compressor for oil. Did spin it over by hand. And it spins nice. What I learned from that Musty video. Got the right size drive pulley on it. And the driven pulley is the fan type. And I couldn't figure out why at first this tube here go from the compressor to put air in the tank. It's a short distance right there. But they went and wrapped it around under the fan there for cooling. And so it can't do too terribly bad at running cool. It's at the right, looks like the right pulleys on it for RPMs. And just rewire it for now, put a new power cord on it. You eliminate this glass household type fuse. And rewire it from the motor over to the cutout, and then from there over to the switch. Essentially, if the motor is still good shape, and typically the wiring inside that motor, what I can see the armature and all that is, it's in good shape. So let you go for now, and do another video on this one when I get it finished, and it should be good to go. I don't know why, if it ever had this reset switch in it, somebody looked like they took it apart and took it out of there, eliminated that. Maybe the time they replaced this. That's one thing my father taught me, even though he'd been gone since early 1976, he sure taught me doing electrical work, be safe. And that to me just, well, maybe it did the job, it worked, but I can't, for the life of me, do that. Oh, this was something else. When I took this fuse out of there, there was a penny stuck down in there to, apparently it wasn't quite working, so they had to put a penny in there to jump across, but then you'd think that would make a fuse totally useless. Pretty sure it doesn't have to have that in it. And besides, when it gets wired up, it's going to be hooked up to a service panel with a breaker in it. So, okay, anyhow, let you go for now. And did take it to the car wash one day and wrapped up the motor and just steam cleaned the crap out of the pump and the tank the best I could. And it could use some more cleaning up and painting. I don't really care about this, the old decal of the monthly maintenance things to do. Maybe I'll see if you can still get that from Sears. Got the model numbers off of it, so I'm good. Anyhow, okay. See y'all later. Have a good Sunday. Bye.